European Space Agency has launched a mission to explore dark matter and hopefully shine a light on the beginnings of the universe.
Imagine you have a magic telescope that can show you the most colourful and stunning images of the distant universe. That's what Euclid can do for you. But they're not just eye candy. They're clues to cracking the code of dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious powers rule 95% of our cosmos, and we're clueless about their nature and origin. Euclid will try to expose them by creating the largest and most epic 3D map of the universe ever made. Wow, that sounds incredible, right? But wait a second, now you might ask, what the heck is Euclid? Well, let me tell you. Euclid is not just a name of a famous Greek mathematician, it's also the name of a super cool space mission that will explore the dark side of the universe. Euclid is like a detective, a telescope that will investigate how dark matter and dark energy have shaped our universe over billions of years. Euclid is like the superhero of space telescopes. Alright, let's be fair, one of the superheroes. We've got JWST in the league too. No hard feelings, Euclid. Okay, moving on. Euclid has an amazing ability to snap ultra-sharp images of the vast cosmic scenery in one go. Imagine taking a family photo, but instead of your backyard, it covers the whole universe. Euclid's pictures will be cosmic selfies showing the complex shapes, distances, and movements of billions of galaxies, up to a staggering 10 billion light-years away. And these images Euclid shared with us, they're not your typical holiday snaps. No way. They're a cosmic gallery featuring everything from sparkling stars to hidden galaxies, from nearby clusters to distant nebulae. And the detail is so stunning that we're seeing features that were hiding or blurry before. Euclid is not just taking photos, it's revealing the universe's secrets, pixel by pixel. Just look at this image of the Perseus cluster, one of the most massive structures in the universe, located 240 million light-years away from Earth. This image shows 1,000 galaxies belonging to the cluster, and more than 100,000 additional galaxies in the background. And here's the best part. Some of these galaxies are so far away that their light took 10 billion years to reach us. It's like having a time machine, seeing these galaxies in their glory when the universe was just a baby. Euclid is armed with a telescopic lens, carefully mapping out the shapes and locations of galaxies like a starry Sherlock Holmes. What's the mystery, you ask? It's the dark matter that brings galaxies together and the dark energy that pushes them apart. But wait, that's not all. Euclid is not just about the big picture. No way. It's also about the details. Check out this close-up of the hidden galaxy, a shy beauty that looks a lot like our own Milky Way. The problem? It's hiding behind a veil of dust and gas. But Euclid has a solution for that: infrared vision. It can see through the dust and show us the stars in this galactic wonder. It's like having X-ray eyes for galaxies. By studying the stars in this cosmic mystery, we're not just learning about the galaxy's past, present, and future, we're also watching its drama reveal itself. Forget about daytime TV, Euclid has real cosmic action on its screen. Euclid can also observe smaller and irregular galaxies. Look at its giant performance as it zooms in on NGC 6822, a funky dwarf galaxy hanging out just 1.6 million light-years away. Euclid doesn't just say hi, it goes full-on matchmaker, figuring out the ages, masses, and compositions of individual stars. But hold on, there's more. Euclid is not just into single stars, it's a social star, mingling with starry crowds, like NGC 6397, the coolest globular cluster around, located a chill 7,800 light-years away. One observation and Euclid can see the whole cluster. It's like throwing the cosmic party. These stars gossip about the Milky Way's secrets, helping Euclid play detective and track down the sneaky dark matter. And if that's not enough, Euclid also takes us on a journey to the Starry Runway with the Horsehead Nebula, a dazzling star nursery where stars and planets flaunt their formation talents. At 1,500 light-years from Earth, it's like the exclusive show in the constellation Orion, and Euclid has the access to reveal all the hidden secrets. These images are just the start of Euclid's space adventure. Not only are they gorgeous, but they're also the universe's own photo album, giving us a sneak peek of Euclid's plan to create a 3D map of the universe. Google Sky, you can keep your crown. Euclid is too busy chasing the dark side of the cosmos. But what if we could tap into dark energy and use it for our own benefit? How would that change our technology and our lives? Here are some crazy scenarios. Let's start with dark energy propulsion. Imagine a spacecraft surfing on waves of repulsive force thanks to dark energy. No need for traditional rockets, dark energy could take us to faraway star systems. We could explore new solar systems and maybe even meet some aliens. And don't worry about collisions, dark energy could create a protective bubble around the spacecraft that would bounce off any asteroids or comets. How cool is that? Next, let's check out dark energy communication. Don't worry guys, these names are just for fun, so don't take them too seriously. Now let's continue. Say goodbye to traditional communication methods. Dark energy is about to give us a quantum entanglement show. Imagine devices entangled across the cosmos, exchanging information faster than you can say space gossip. Probes on distant planets, colonies in deep space. Everyone's in on the conversation. And guess what? Who knows? We might be the coolest space spies ever, picking up signals from far-off alien neighbors. And last but not least, let's talk about dark energy manipulation. Mastering dark energy means bending space and time like origami. Wormholes connecting distant points, allowing us to pull off the speed run through the universe. Warp bubbles reshaping space-time, giving us backstage passes to the past, future, and alternate realities. It's like having a backstage ticket to the greatest show in the multiverse. Now let's be honest, these fantasies might be a bit ambitious, and there's no guarantee we'll ever unlock the dark energy secrets. But hey, one thing's for sure, if we ever achieve dark energy tech, it's not just the universe that'll change, it's us as well. We really had a lot of fun talking about dark energy tech, as if it was already here. But hey, sometimes imagination is a bridge between us and the universe. It helps us dream big, explore new possibilities, and challenge ourselves. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to turn our fantasies into realities. But until then, we should also be aware of the risks and responsibilities that come with such power. Dark energy tech could be the best thing that ever happened to us, or the worst. It could be the ultimate dream or a nightmare. Now it's question time. If you could travel to any place in the universe, where would you go and why? Would you visit a nearby planet, a distant galaxy, or a parallel universe? Would you go for scientific curiosity, personal exploration, or just for fun? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're here, why not check out our other videos? You might be curious about why black holes burp. Yes, it sounds strange, but it will make sense after you watch it. Or how black holes feast on stars. And if that's not enough to satisfy you, how about the secret language of aliens? No, it's not a conspiracy theory. Well, maybe you would like to see how AI can make space exploration a piece of cake. All of these topics and more are waiting for you to click. Don't miss this chance to learn more about the wonders of the universe. Hey, wait a minute before you go and watch these awesome videos, I've got something cool to tell you. Are you listening? Here it goes. If you liked this video, please show some love by clicking the thumbs up button, sharing it with your friends, and joining our space community by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. I know it might sound like a broken record, but it's a huge help for us. Thanks for staying with us. See you soon for more amazing space videos.